Animation has been a really fun journey for me in Blender. I started just doing very simple things, adding keyframes, and I got really excited by just starting to see objects move on the screen. But as I continued to develop, I started to get a better sense for kind of what the feeling was behind the motion, how to sort of create a almost musical feeling to the animation that you're seeing on screen. Hey everyone, I'm Derek Elliott. I'm a 3D designer turned animator with an industrial design background. And what I usually do is create animations for new products that are coming out. You might have seen my work on a really big screen behind someone making a grand presentation, or maybe you just stumbled across my Instagram page one day and found a cute little animation. I'm always creating interesting, fun things that pop into my head. So I'm really excited about teaching this class on some more advanced animation because I really want to start to open your eyes to how deep Blender can go. In this class, we're going to be taking a sort of fake skincare brand and creating a full-fledged commercial for it. I'm going to teach you about how to use armatures to fold objects. We'll also take a look at rigid body simulation, using physics to control the placement of objects. And beyond all that, we'll do a lot of work in the graph editor, creating really smooth animations, moving from one shot to a next, creating fluid motion between them. Stick around to the end of the class where we've got a little bit of a bonus lesson where I'll teach you about how to break into the industry and how to do just what I do for yourself for a living. By the end of this class, I'd really like you to be left with an animation that you're very proud of. Thanks for joining along with me in this class. It's going to be a ton of fun. Let's get started.